sirens.
Is it really?
Yep.
Yeah. What's that yellow mean? Is that a tornado?
Well, just...
Oh, I don't know. Right. Go under here.
So where are we going? No, we're keeping going. We're gonna go down to the right. So
On there, I think.
so where do we need to go to? Wilburton?
Right, I think.
Is it Wilburton?
Heart's home.
Hart's home. Where's that then?
We need to just go down there, I think.
Harlesham. Yeah. Yeah, they're tornado sirens.
Oh, sweet. Whoa, shit! Oh my god. That's right there, mate. Damn! I think that means that there's a tornado on the ground.
No, I was just warning it. Just warning.
No, the yellow here, look. No, yellow, look.
Alright,
That
okay.
means maybe there's a tornado on the ground.